Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are having a great gardening season wherever you may be growing. We are having a fantastic growing season here in London. This year we have been blessed with warm weather. We're having a fantastic season, but unfortunately it has been one of the driest July months for over a century, and we've been watering our plant twice a day. If you're growing in the UK, it's very important that you water your plant twice a day in this heat, in this dry season. Otherwise, you're not going to get the best out of your garden. It's too crowded here with these gourd vines, and it's not producing enough fruits out here. So I'm going to prune this, and I'm going to show you how I turn these nutritious vine and leaves into 100% organic liquid fertilizer, which has done wonders to my garden. By the way, those of you who are not familiar with hodu plants or gourd plants, these leaves and vines are edible. Now, if you have been following our videos, about 2 months ago, we showed you how to turn your kitchen scrap into compost just in 5 weeks by using a method called the bokashi composting, and we showed you how to make your own bokashi compost bin. Now, since then, I've been using the bokashi composting, and I've been, instead of putting kitchen scrap in the bokashi compost bin, I've been adding plants from my garden, things like hodu vines, cucumber vines, tomato leaves. And let me show you how I've been using this. So don't throw your hodu vines or cucumber vines or your tomato leaves. Cut them into small pieces and put them into your bokashi compost bin. Okay, so in this bokashi compost bin, I've just been using fresh plant leaves and vines. So I'm going to put about an inch layer of leaves and vines, and then I'm going to add some bokashi bran, spread them over the leaves, and that will start fermenting the leaves and vines. So put another 1 inch layer of leaves and vines. And some more bokashi bran. And I'm going to leave this in there and close the seal. So if you want to know how to make your own bokashi composting bin, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, or you can click the eye up here to get to that video. It showed you how to make your bokashi composting bin. So make sure to seal it properly so no air gets into it. So the foam, it works by fermentation process. Hopefully in 3 or 4 days time the fermentation will begin, and you'll have juice or compost tea depositing at the bottom here. After a few days, check to see whether there is any compost tea at the bottom. Take it out, and then every day check on it. Don't leave the tea in there for more than 1 day, otherwise you will get bad smell.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Now that you know how to make Bokashi tea, let me show you how to use Bokashi tea in your garden for plant growth. Don't use Bokashi tea directly to your plant. It's very acidic, so make sure you dilute it with water first. This is the ratio. Add 10 ml of Bokashi tea into 1 litre of water. This is a 10 litre watering can, so I'll be needing 100 ml of Bokashi tea in here. Give it a good stir. Now water your plants with the Bokashi compost tea, how you would normally water your plants. You could use this liquid fertilizer all around your garden. Oh wow, check this out. This is what happened to the khodu vines and leaves after 3 weeks. There's beautiful white mold on it. It means the fermentation has worked successfully. This is ready to be turned into compost. If you want to know how to turn this into compost, you should watch the video we made, how to turn kitchen waste into compost just in 5 weeks. We also showed you how to make a DIY Bokashi compost bin. We'll leave the video link in the description down below, or you can click the eye up here and it will take you straight to that video. These are purpose-made Bokashi composting bins. They come in a twin pack and they come with a Bokashi brand. If you're interested in purchasing these Bokashi composting bins, you could do so by using our Amazon affiliate link. We will leave our Amazon affiliate link in the description down below.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give us a like and don't forget to share our videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next one.